The 2020 Audi TT-RS. Audi updated the TT-RS for the 2019 model year, and after just a year on the market, we finally managed to get our hands on one. To our surprise, we found that the updated front and rear designs actually give the TT-RS a more dynamic yet aggressive look. That is thanks to, at least in part, the new honeycomb grille up front that's paired with the contrasted front spoiler lip. Further emphasizing the sporty appearance of our TT-RS tester were the black mirror caps, the black accents on the rear spoiler, and the black diffuser-like element in the rear fascia. Most people wouldn't recognize some of the smaller bits, but those black legs for the spoiler, for instance, really stand out with the black accents on the rear decklid and the taillights. The interior design of the TT-RS just screams performance and, at times, we almost felt like we were driving a Porsche. Maybe it's the honeycomb inserts on the seats, the low seating position, or the material on the flat-bottom steering wheel. Honestly, it was probably a combination of all three, but we were so mesmerized by the crispness of the Audi virtual cockpit it was hard to look away. Under the hood say Audi's classic 2.5-liter inline-5 with 400 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. We really wish we had a 6-speed manual, but unfortunately, the best we could ask for was the 7-speed automatic. The AWD was nice and, despite Audi's claims of a 3.7-second sprint to 60 miles per hour, we actually clocked the same run somewhere in the high 3.5 to low 3.6 range on multiple occasions. If we had tried a top-speed run, we would have been limited to 155 miles per hour. We didn't break highway speed, though. However, if you're willing to pay for it, you could get that limit raised to 174 miles per hour. Pricing for our tester, as you see it here, was $77,490.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.